to another vlog. In today's vlog, wala tayo kaayos-ayos guys. Kasi, I needed to go to mom's place, my mother-in-law's place. Kasi yung, iwan niya yung susi. So, ngayon mag-isa ako. Pupunta ako ng store. Hindi ko ako Walmart or Fred Meyers. Pag sa Fred Meyers, hindi ko kasi masasama. Yun ang problema. Kasi ang dami-daming tao. Ang bilis-bilis ko pa mamili. Tsaka ano na yung magpo 4 PM na. Although maganda yung weather. So may konti pang snow pero konti na lang yan. But yeah, siguro I'll try to take you with me. I'm gonna decide if I'm actually going to, I don't know if I'm actually going to Fred Meyers or if I'm going to Walmart. So catch up later. This is Sacrament Church. Ako na mag-isa. Si Dex kasi or si Hubby ay, syempre he just got off work and ayoko naman siyang mapagod. So ako na lang muna mag-church ngayon. Magkaiba kasi kami ng schedule. So ayan, dito na kasama sa loob ah. It's a beautiful day. Thank you, Papa Jesus, for the beautiful day. Ganda ng araw. But it's still cold. Alam niyo, I like this area where the church is at. Malapit sa church, malapit sa everything. Although where we live naman, it's close to everything din. Pero ito talaga ay, ano ko, talagang gusto ko yung area na to kasi malapit sa lahat and maganda yung, ano, yung neighborhood. So, ayan guys. Ay nako. Talaga naman. Walang kaayos-ayos ang lola mo. Wala pa naman akong tripod or anything here. But yeah, catch up later. Ako ay magdadrive muna papunta sa store. I'm here at Fred Meyers. I'm actually getting some, I got some cake. And I'm getting strawberries. Maybe this one. Getting some apples. Got some green onions, green apples. Ito naman ang cart natin. Ayan. Marami silang naka-sale. Kuha ko ng potato chips. So we're here sa Cheez-Its. Ano bang hinahanap ko? Teka, wait. I'm gonna get this one for dear, for hubby. Ayan. I'm getting this. Dark chocolate. And then kuha tayo nito. Loaded. Bago to. With Oreo crumbs. Hindi nakasale yung hipon nila. Ito. Kuha tayo nito. $5. Kuha tayo dalawa. Large. I'm gonna get this one for hubby. I'm going to get this sausage. Medyo pricey siya dito compared sa Walmart. Pero it's okay. The store is closer naman. This one. $4 and some change. And 18. I was thinking of buying the regular one. But I think this should be good for a long time. I got this butter. First time ko to try ito. Mukha naman siyang okay. Mas mahal dito kasi sa Walmart. So ito binili natin 2 for $7. So, try ko itong fat free and then this one. Ako, huge grocery na naman tayo guys. I'm looking for a dry shampoo. Napakamahal talaga sa Fred Meyers. Ito na lang binili ko. I usually go to Walmart, not here, but it's okay. Let's see. We will get this bread. Ayan. Ayan guys, ready na tayo magbayad. So, ayan ang ating pinamili. Mamaya i-haul ko yan sa bahay pag-uwi. Ayan guys, ating pinamili. Pauwi na ako. Ayan. But before I leave, papakita ko lang sa inyo ano itsura ng 5 PM here. Ang ganda ng araw. Pero gusto ko umuwi dahil super mahangin. Naramdaman ko yung hangin. Alright, I'll see you later. I don't know if you can hear the wind, pero sobrang lakas sa hangin. Gumagaling sa akin, natatakot ako. Okay, bye! Ayan, gorge. Nakauwi na ako. Diyos ko po. Parang, this is the first time, well, this is not the first time that I drove here to Anchorage. I mean, here in Anchorage. But this is the first time that I've driven myself to the store to get groceries. So, medyo na-anxious ako kanina kasi syempre first time ko. Then I forgot that yung yellow blinking light, it's yield, so it means you can go as long as there are no cars coming your way. Buti na lang biglang nag-green. Syempre nai-nervous pa ako at paano, no? I mean, kung sa Pilipinas, alam kong expert ako doon mag-drive. Pero dito, medyo nasasanay pa ako. So, Okay ba yung face ko? Ito na yung face ko, guys, without makeup. Naglagay ako ng tint kilay and then lip tint. That's it. Ano ako nilagay. But anyway, let me just put the items that I got dito sa ating kitchen countertop para makita nyo yung mga hindi ko napakita. Kasi mga last akong inad pa sa cart. Okay, gorge. Ito yung mga pinimili natin today. Papakita ko na lang siya ulit isa-isa. So, this is my favorite cake now. Natikman ko to sa party ni Sis Angel. Pero buti na lang may slice sila rather than purchasing the whole cake, diba? Reduced fat. I showed this to you earlier na crackers. Alaska grains. Like what I said, it's a little expensive sa Kroger or Fred Meyers. Pero to me, their food is really fresher than Walmart. Yun lang ang aking opinion, okay? Microwavable popcorn, strawberries, frozen pancakes, ready to cook or ready to microwave. Itong Oreo na to na dark, hindi ko pa na to try. Pero mahilig ako sa Oreos, pero I wanted to try dark chocolate. And then this is one of their newest. New. With real Oreo cookie crumbs. So, Oreo with an Oreo, diba? And then we have the Kroger Wavy Lightly Salted. Babaon ako sa work nito kahit isa lang siguro. And then the rest for the house. Green apples. And then, I decided to get this para kung medyo nauumay kami sa apple lang. Pwede ring salt. Pwedeng i-dip lang din dito. Meron din tayong red onion. Bumili ako ng isang red onion lang. Green onions. Bumili ako ng talong. And then we have sile kasi magsisinigang tayo na ribs. Large raw shrimp. Favorite namin yan ni Hubby pang pasta or pwedeng pang garlic butter lang. Hot dog. We ate the last hot dogs this morning. So, kanina pala or kagabi. Kagabi or kanina. Cheese dogs. Ito, gusto ko sa Kroger yung mga nila, yung mga produce, mga carrots, ganyan. Ito na, peeled na siya o fresh na fresh. Tapos, i-dip mo sa QP. Yan, i-dip natin siya sa QP or QPI ba yun. And then, ito yung favorite ko. Last time, almost nag-expire yung yogurt. Not because we didn't consume it right away. It's because hindi ko nakita expiration date. So, lahat na expiration date nito ay it's either March 26 or April 2nd. So, tatagal sa amin yan. And this is just 89 cents each. Carb Master, low fat, sugar-free for carbs or total sugars, parang additional sugar siguro to. And then we have this one, challenge the spreadable butter with pure avocado oil. And then my favorite, zero sugar na Italian sweet cream, pwede pang iced coffee. Ito hindi siya zero sugar pero konti lang sugar niya. Vanilla bean. And then, of course, why did I get 2 milk? Kasi sa gabi nag-milk na ako para makatulog ako ng maayos. I don't know, it just helps me rather than drinking tea. I was gonna get some peppermint tea pero bago naisip ko, milk na lang. So, this expires end of March. And then this one expires April 16. So, lalagyan natin yan sa fridge, syempre. And sa mga non-food, rosemary mint na invigorating dry shampoo. And then panty liners for me. And then pagkain ni baby Makara. Look at your food. Makars. Suplada siya. Ayan. And the total reveal, $127.55. To me, it's not bad. Pwede na siya, diba? So, gorge, I forgot to do my outro earlier. Yun yung mga pinag-grocery natin today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying vlogs like this. Medyo short lang yung mga vlogs natin kasi I don't wanna make it super long kasi nakaka-board din. Siguro next time na lang, I'll have a sit-in video with my husband. But kumakain ako ngayon. Kumakain ako ng sardines. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!